Today, I have an amazing opportunity to share with you. Did you know that with just one sale per day, you could earn $130 each day, which adds up to around $4,000 per month? This is entirely possible with a unique method that I'm about to reveal. Want to learn how to make $200 to $300 per day on Clickbank without any prior experience or special skills? Stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through this step by step.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
The best part? This strategy is proven to work and is effective worldwide. No need to worry about having prior experience or special skills, because we're going to leverage artificial intelligence AI to make money for us. That's right, AI will do the work. This will be an incredibly interesting and actionable tutorial. Even if you're already making money on Clickbank, this video is still for you. You'll learn a new technique that can potentially boost your earnings and commissions significantly. Ready? Let's dive right in. Welcome to all new viewers of Dracula Money Lair. Here, I share my knowledge and experiences on making money online, helping you escape the mundane 9-to-5 grind and create passive income streams. My goal is to guide you towards financial freedom. If you want to stay updated with new videos every week and receive unique tips to improve your financial situation, hit that subscribe button now. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your life. This system I'm about to show you won't make you rich overnight, but it's a fantastic foundation for beginners. It's designed to help you see your first results on Clickbank and then build on that success. So, if you're new to Clickbank and affiliate marketing, this is a great starting point to potentially earn your first $200 to $300 a day. Now, a quick note. If you're in a country where Clickbank isn't supported, don't worry. Watch the entire video to get the right mindset and learn the effective methods. After that, just search Google for best affiliate network in your country to find alternatives. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you might wonder, which niche should I choose? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a smart way to pick a niche. This is a Clickbank blog post showcasing the top offers for June 2024. By scrolling down, we can see the top performing products and offers on Clickbank. But here's a tip, don't go for these top offers. Why? Because they come with a ton of competition. Instead, look at the niches these top offers are in, and then find an alternative offer within the same niche. For example, I noticed that health and fitness is a hugely popular niche, so I decided to dive into a sub-niche dental health. First, log into Clickbank and head over to the marketplace. Click on the health and fitness category, and then select dental health. You'll see a bunch of products related to dental health, and guess what? If you make just one sale, you can earn over $100. In this video, I'm going to choose the first product that pops up, ProDentim. It has a pretty impressive gravity score of 221. Now, the higher the gravity score, the more money people are making, and it means a lot of people are promoting this product. I typically go for products with gravity scores between 50 and 300. This one's on the higher end, which shows its potential. It might be a bit oversaturated, but let's give it a try. This offer pays me $130 per sale. So, if I make one sale each day, that's $130 a day. And over the course of a month, that adds up to around $4,000. Before jumping into promoting this offer, I did a bit of validation. I went to Google Trends at trends.google.com and typed in toothache since it's related to the dental niche. Over the past 5 years, the search term toothache has been trending upwards globally. Unfortunately, more people are suffering from toothaches. But fortunately for us, this means there's a high demand for dental health products like ProDentim. So, we have a huge audience that needs this product. They can solve their problems, and we can make money. It's a win-win. First, head over to YouTube and type in ProDentim. You'll notice there are a lot of videos talking about this product. Our goal is to find a video with a lot of views in a short amount of time. I found this video titled, "Does ProDentim Really Work?" which has racked up 83K views in just 8 days. Impressive, right? Next, you'll want to download the subtitles from this video. Go to downsub.com, paste the video URL, and select the TXT format to download. Once you've downloaded the subtitles, head over to chatgpt and type in this prompt. Use H1 and H2 headings and paragraphs to organize this blog post. Do not add, remove, or modify any sentences. Then, paste the subtitle script you downloaded. ChatGPT will magically transform it into a well-structured blog post in no time. Now, because we're using subtitles from YouTube, the product name might not always be transcribed correctly. No worries. We'll ask ChatGPT to correct any mistakes and even suggest a catchy title for our blog post. Perfect. Next, go ahead and type this prompt into ChatGPT. Write the blog post in simple spoken English. Then, just paste the script from the previous step below. Being an affiliate means you might earn some cash if readers buy products through your links. So, we'll add a disclaimer at the end of your article to let everyone know. Just use this prompt for ChatGPT. Please help create a disclaimer. To boost the readability score of my article, I'm going to use Grammarly. You know, Grammarly helps us check for spelling mistakes, plagiarism, and style issues. I'll paste my article in, and Grammarly will suggest edits that I can just accept with a click. Once all the edits are done, I'll hit the plagiarism button to make sure my article is plagiarism-free. Perfect, it's only 2%. Usually, anything under 20% is considered safe. Next up, once you have your article, head over to Medium.com to publish it. This site is huge. If I check with SimilarWeb, which tracks website traffic, Medium.com gets 168 million visits each month. That means a ton of potential readers and buyers for your Prodentim product, which could earn you some cash. So, here's what you do. To create an article on Medium, it's super simple. Go to the top right corner and click Get Started. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook. After you sign in, you'll see a blank draft where your article will live. Easy peasy. Some countries ban Medium, but if you're blocked, no worries. Just use a VPN. I use this tool all the time. It's just one click, and boom, you're in. Go to the Google Chrome Web Store and search for an app called TouchVPN. Easy as pie. Our next move is to copy the article and paste it onto Medium. It's also a good idea to spice things up with some images to make the article more lively. We can take screenshots of the Prodentim website and add them in. Oh, and one more crucial thing. Don't forget to insert your affiliate link. That's what it's all about, right? I'm going to insert some call to action buttons into the article to encourage readers to click on the link and visit the sales page. All right, now we need an affiliate link so that when customers click on it to make a purchase, you'll receive a commission. Go to Clickbank, click on Promote, type in your affiliate nickname, and then hit Create Hoplink. You know what? Medium doesn't like us sticking affiliate links directly into their platform, so we need a third party to help us shorten the link. Here, I'll use Bitly. Just sign up for a free account, hit Create Link, and then paste your hoplink from Clickbank here. After that, just copy that link and paste it into the call to action section of your article. Pretty straightforward, huh? And that's it. Simple as that. So, I'm going to click Publish now, and boom. There you have it, my article is live. When people read it and click on the link at the end, they'll be taken straight to the Clickbank landing page. They buy the product, and you make $130. It's a smooth and easy process. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. This method is simple and effective, but that doesn't mean you'll get sales immediately after posting on Medium. Consistency is key. Plan for the long term, maybe 2-3 months, and write 2-3 articles every day. You'll be surprised by the results. To get your articles noticed faster, join Facebook groups where people discuss your topic. For instance, with the Prodentim product, join dental care groups and share your articles there. You can do the same on other social platforms like Instagram and Threads. Take this seriously as a potential source of passive income. Challenges will always be there. Focus on solving any issues you encounter, and don't give up if you don't see immediate results. If you run into problems, comment below this video, and I'll help you out. Make sure to follow the channel so you don't miss any future videos. If you're serious about learning how to make money online, my channel has tons of helpful videos for you. I recommend watching this one because Pinterest is an amazing traffic source. Check it out now, it'll help you generate lots of sales on Clickbank. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time.